Good afternoon, 4th and 5th grade. Today is Monday, April 6th, and we are going to the page that says Search Mission. These topics have to do with doing research online and what words you would use when you need to find some key information. So, for example, if you're looking for the word bee, these are 3 key words that you might type in a search engine to try to find information about bee. The reason why this is an important exercise is the more key words that you have in your search, the more accurate information you will get. So for our exercise today, these are the 2 words that you're going to start with. The first one is banana, and what key words would help you find more accurate information about banana? Try to think of where they might be grown. Try to think of if they're a vegetable or a fruit. Try to think of some key words that might give you more accurate information. The next word is elephant, and you're going to have to think of some key words for elephant. Second page, key words. Words you're thinking of, beach and garden. You need to think of 3 key words for each of those topics that might help you find more accurate information. For example, if you just type in the word garden, you're going to be getting lots of results will be very broad. So if you're looking like for vegetable garden, if you're looking for herb garden, if you're looking for flower garden, whatever might give you the more accurate information. If you're trying to find a specific garden, you would want to have that as one of your keywords. This exercise just helps you think of more detail when you're doing online research to get accurate information. As we continue on down the page, you're going to think of your own word that you might want to find something about, and what key words you would need to help you narrow down and find accurate information. Hope that helps with your lesson today, and I will talk to you next week.